Alright, this is my 2015 bike check. I have BSD Dan Paley Slim Grips. Where's the face? There it is. I have fly bars with shadow stickers on them. Primo Annihilator V3. Colt IC V1 forks. Kink Viridian 2 front hub. Random spokes, random nipples. Alien Nation Skylark rim. And an Odyssey Dugan tire. BSD Safari pedals. Best pedals ever. Along with the grips. The grips are pretty good too. Shadow Paradise seat, I think. No idea what seat post, but it was kind of blue, so I sharpied it. A stock seat post clamp. Ezra Free Coaster hub with black no-name spokes to another Skylark rim with an Odyssey Chase Hawk. Colt chain, Demolition Magatu sprocket, and Fit Indent 24mm line drive cranks. I have a Primo peg up front and a Kink Street 2 peg up front. Got an Animal Butcher 4.5 in the back with a Primo hub guard that doesn't really fit that well because I'm not getting an Eastern one. And another Kink Street 2 peg. And, oh yeah, Shadow headset. And last but not least, the frame. It's an SE Hoodrich 2014 stock frame. Love the geometry. It's the best thing ever. Love the short seat tube. Hustle trees. Hemp 2.0. And Rockstar energy drink. Oh yeah, can't go wrong with the snazzy, super duper snazzy. Come on, focus. Porsche valve caps. And this little pin I have that kind of broke. Can't see it. There you go. So yeah, this is my bike. I'll have another bike check up probably a little bit after Christmas with all the new parts I have. Yeah, see you then.